I think. Right, well, I tried to capture the fight, but sadly the GoPro battery I had in died, so I think that might be right. So yeah, it wasn't much of a fight, but not a bad start. I've only been sat in this bay maybe 20 minutes or so, so nice chunky little jack. Good way to start the day. Right, the rod's fine. So yes, we are, talk to you while I'm chucking my bait in the water. We are back up north of the wall, back in Scotland, back on Loch Ken. What the heck's going on here? Glad I fish everything barbless. So yeah, just had half a mackerel on there. It's only about 4 foot of water. Bang that back out. Check the stop knots. Not too deep, but it keeps shifting. Right, there we go. Right, where was I? Finally got back to Loch Ken. It's been a while since I've been up here. We're in March now, so it's still pretty cold. Tonight's temperature's getting down to -4, I think it said. So yeah, should be fairly interesting. Come out, had a pedal up. We've only got here midday, only got a couple of hours fishing, so I thought, well, Graham's out, he's fishing for the perch, so see how he gets on. If he finds what's going on with them, then we can hit the ground running tomorrow, and then I'll just come into one of the bays, try some dead baits, and it's worked pretty much straight away. As you've seen, the setup there, just a small float, half a mackerel. It's only about 3 or 4 foot of water. Yeah, like that jack. I've got another float further back in the bay. That one's, I think it's about 5 or 6 foot in there, maybe at a push, maybe 4 to 6 foot. So I thought I'd give the shallows a try, get out that wind for a little bit, get warmed up in the sun. Give it an hour or two, see what happens. If we're just picking up all the jacks, I might just move to where the drop is. But yeah, we've got 2 full days and 2 half days fishing, so should be plenty enough. See how we get on. Day 2, just been sat here for a short while, nothing occurring, and I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna pick up on this rod. So I'm fishing a mackerel in some deep water. Yeah, there's a fish there. I think. It's not took any line whatsoever. Well, we don't want to risk any deep hooking, so we'll get into it. I'll spin you around so you can hopefully see the bite, if it does anything. It's only a small one again, but that counts. just in the side of his gob. There you go. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, there's only a babby. It's a fish nonetheless. Start of the day. Excellent. Yeah, been fishing a while this morning. Tried a few different areas and haven't had anything really. And I've just come to this spot. Chucked out a bit of mackerel. Just chopping my baits according to the size of my trace. So yeah, no flash, just a bit of mackerel. I've got trout on the rod. Well, I've just moved to a new spot. I haven't been here that long. It's a spot I used to fish years ago. And my float has just gone under. It's not actually moving. I don't know if I had something just catch on my line. No, it's got it yet. Yeah, fish on. Again, not a big one, but it's another fish at least. It's another babby. Ooh, where you going? Whoa! Give it a chance. We're flying treble, so I'll be a bit cautious with that. Now it scraps. No. Maybe order a pike roll. I think. Yeah, he spat the hooks in the net. Another wee jacky. It's a bit shallow where I am, so we'll put him back a bit gentler. I was on the mackerel, nailed to the deck. It's been quite a quiet day. I've not long ago lost a fish, come back into the bay here. Yeah, lost that fish, and I've just got another pickup now, but it's quite a big bait that I've got on, and I think there'll be small fish. Stop running with it. Yeah, it's only a small one. Fish nonetheless. Around to see, but yeah, it's about the same size as the bait I was using. That's the old count. It's been a really slow day. Well, the beauty of the rubber mesh, I guess. Sort of. Stop it. That'll be white. Whoa. Get off it, you bugger. There we go. Angry little Jack. Yeah, my bait was around about the same sort of size as that, nearly. Not quite, but she'll do. Or he'll do. Once again, that's what's tuck off. Let's see what happens. It's only a small bait, so. I'll get him straight back, he's got a rakel loose. Right, day 3. And the plan today was these. Oh, if I can get on him. Maybe not the biggest fish down there, but beautiful nonetheless. If we get that in the morning sunshine. Bit camera shy. You get much nice prettier than that, do they? £2.14 in the 80s when big perch were really scarce. You never let me forget it. No. So when I take it, I'll come here and oh, it wasn't. Right, hopefully we can get this in with the sun behind me. There we go. £18, 15 ounce.